In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record audio for free on Windows 11. I've used this to record thousands of how-to videos, and I'm going to explain it to you in this simple video. Like I said, this is free and easy to use. So the program that we're going to use is called Audacity. You can record within Windows 11, but I wouldn't recommend it. Audacity has a lot more features and it just allows you to record much easier, especially if you're recording multiple things. So open up a web browser and type in Audacity. Like I said, it is a free software. It's the world's most popular audio editing and recording app. Go ahead and download that, and it will download the installation wizard. From here, you can run that and install Audacity in about a minute. Again, the installation process is very simple. Just go ahead and click next, and it's going to tell you it's open source. It's going to ask you where you want to install it. Once you've installed it, you can then go ahead and search for it and open it. Now, what I would do here is before you open it for the first time, make sure your microphone is plugged in, because if you plug it in after you've opened Audacity, you might have to reopen the program. But once you've got the program open, it will look something like this. Now here on the program, you've got very simple buttons. You've got record, and then you've also got here stop. So it couldn't really be any simpler, right? So you've got record, you've got stop. You can also delete tracks by highlighting them all and then clicking delete on the keyboard. So what you need to make sure you do before you start recording, go to audio setup, click on this downwards arrow, then go to playback device and make sure the playback device is set to your headphones so you can hear the voice being played back after. Then go to recording device and make sure the recording device, and this is the most important one, is set to the correct microphone. Here you can see mine is set to my Rode mic. Now I would just start recording, and you want to speak into the microphone, and you can see here the levels will go up depending on how loud you speak and how close you get to the microphone. So find a good balance here so your audio isn't peaking. This is harder than it seems, but try and get a good balance and try and get the microphone to be relatively close to your mouth, but not too close so it can pick up everything. You can then stop the audio when you want to obviously stop the recording. You can play the audio back by clicking on this play button, and that will obviously play it back. If you want to export the audio, go to File, go Export Audio. You can then choose where you want to export it to, and I would export it as a WAV file, which is known by all of the editing softwares, and I'd keep these on default. Then you can click export and it will export your file in a WAV audio file. That's how you can do it for free. I hope that quick video helped you out.